Hello, my name is Talia, and Jeremiah's here. I hope he doesn't turn off now. Say something like baby.
Jeremiah, look, they're cute.
Right now she's a little shy. He's staring at you. Well, this is my uncle. He has his ears pierced. And he has a tattoo on his arm, which is a cross. Can't see the whole cross. And he has a tattoo on his arm named, a tattoo on his arm says Naomi. She's my cousin. Well, the cute big sister. He's saying bye. Take it forever.
Why aren't you looking at the same?
I'm awkward.